What's up guys? This is Kevin Richard. So since malapit na yung Father's Day, I decided to ask my dad to do a drinking challenge. So medyo matagal-tagal na rin kami hindi nagiinom. And since Father's Day ngayon, father-son bonding, tingnan natin kung kakasa siya. Let's go. So wala siyang kaalam-alam that I'll be asking him to do a drinking challenge. Ito yung mga dilaw. Siya yung kuryente. Let's go. Let's swim muna.
Tayo?
Inom tayo.
Sige, buka.
Game ka?
Oo.
Inom tayo?
Oo.
Papalabas natin sa kanila?
Oh.
Game siya. Let's go. Let's do the drinking challenge. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wala pa. So ito, parang special video. Gawa kami ng dad ko ng drinking challenge. So ito yung grass. Dad ko talaga, tsaka malakas kami talagang uminom eh. Sobrang lakas namin uminom. So, dad, ready ka na kung uminom natin?
Yeah.
Damn. Kala nyo kung ano. Kala nyo kung ano. So, it's a water drinking challenge. So, ubusin natin to the most we can. This is Alden and Dad's drinking challenge. Let's do it. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Okay. Hirap. Guys, don't waste water. Wala natin ito for quarantine. Mahirap to ha. Wala, hindi na. Hindi ko na kaya. Sorry. So, Dad?
Oh.
2.5. Ako 2 and... Bawal tumawa, masusuka. Sige, Dad, pwede mo na ibigay yan. So guys, kaya pa yung tatay ko. So that has been my dad and I's drinking challenge. Guys, pakalmahin ko lang ito.